Gift wrapping tips. Master the art of present presentation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical and enjoyable topic, gift wrapping tips. Whether it's a birthday, a holiday, or any special occasion, presenting a gift that looks beautiful on the outside is almost as important as the gift itself. Let's explore some simple yet effective techniques to elevate your gift wrapping skills. We hope you'll find these tips helpful and fun to learn. Before we jump into the actual wrapping process, it's crucial to understand the basic materials and tools you'll need. At the very least, you should have wrapping paper that fits the occasion. There are countless designs to choose from, so pick one that complements the gift or speaks to the recipient's tastes. Scissors for cutting the paper. Make sure they're sharp for clean cuts. Tape to secure the paper. Double-sided tape is a great option for a cleaner look. Ribbons and bows for that extra touch of elegance and festivity. Remember, the presentation of your gift can make a significant impact, showing the recipient that you've put thought and care into every aspect of their gift. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process of wrapping a gift. Follow these tips for a neat and professional-looking result. 1. Measure and cut. Place your gift on the wrapping paper to measure how much you need. Cut enough paper to cover the item completely, but avoid excess paper that can create bulky, uneven layers. 2. Fold and tape. Place the gift face down on the cut piece of wrapping paper. Bring the paper over the sides of the gift, pulling it tight to ensure a smooth surface. Secure it with tape. For a cleaner look, fold the edge of the paper over before taping. 3. Tidy the ends. Tucking in the paper at the ends of the gift can be tricky. Fold the sides of the paper inward, creating flaps. Then fold these flaps up against the gift, and secure with tape. 4. Add the finishing touches. Tie a ribbon around the wrapped gift, finishing with a bow on top. You can also add a personalized gift tag or decorative elements like dried flowers or a sprig of holly for a festive touch. If you want to stand out or are wrapping for a special occasion, consider some creative wrapping ideas. Use alternative materials like fabric, newspapers, or even maps for an eco-friendly and unique look. Layer ribbons and materials for texture and depth. Mixing patterns and colors can add a playful or sophisticated element, depending on your choice. Personalize your wrapping with hand-drawn decorations, stickers, or stamps. This adds a personal touch that recipients will surely appreciate. Wrapping a gift beautifully shows thoughtfulness and care, making the gift even more special. With these gift wrapping tips, we hope you feel inspired and equipped to wrap presents that look as good on the outside as they are on the inside. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques and materials. Thank you for watching, and happy wrapping!